This is the problem of the 4 jeeps are at the edge of the desert, of a hostile desert. They must try to penetrate 1 jeep as far as possible, and they must all 4 return back to their base camp at desert's edge. They will share gas along the way. Now, jeeps 1, 2, and 3 go out together into the desert, each 1/4 of a tank full. There the J1 refills J2 and J3 and comes back. Notices he's used all of his gas then, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. J1 and J2 proceed out another 1/4 with J2 refilling J3 and then returning to base camp. J3 is now full of gas out halfway. Now J3 proceeds out a distance y, which we do not know, but we'll find out, and returns to a point to be refilled by J4. J4 now goes out 1/3, uses up 1/3 to refill to give to J3, another 1/3 to return, and 1/3 to come out. So now they're both come in empty to base camp. Now, in order to find y, notice that J3 has gone out a distance y, then back a distance y, then has to go 1/3 minus 1/2 because J4 is going to refill at the 1/3 point. So the total distance that y goes is 1, which he started full. It has to equal 2 y's to get him out and back, plus 1/2 minus 1/3 to get him back to ready for refill. Now we can solve the equation and find out that y is 5/12. So the total penetration then is the full half plus the 5/12 for y, and that adds up to 11/12. Now I should emphasize that it was a hostile desert, so they cannot wait for each other in the desert, only enough time to refill. And therefore, when J4 comes out to help J3 back in, he must come out at exactly the time to meet J4, and they come back in together. Now this solution I have not shown is the best solution. I've tried many other ways of sharing gas, but perhaps not all of them. So if you can find a better solution, a different way of sharing gas, then please let me know.